Hey, what's up guys, this is Scarforce95 here. Previously I unboxed a box of Uno, crazy as that, but this is definitely a much more fun unboxing. This is the 2016 edition of Taboo. This thing has been out since the 1980s, and they keep on updating the cards because they have to keep up with the modern slang and whatever that's happening, so they modernized the cards a little bit for the 2016 edition, and take a look at that, they added the buzzer. I believe the 2014 edition had a little squeaky toy thing. It was a squeaker and it had no batteries. I guess that's what they thought would be a great seller, but that thing turned out to be just a little sad thing. It's always fun to buzz people out when they say the word, right? So Taboo is actually one of my favorite games to play in a group. If you guys don't know what Taboo is, you just look it up. It's a really simple game, and you can play it with 4 and up players, at least 4 people. And they say it's good for ages 13 and up, but honestly, play with younger kids, it's not a big deal. There aren't any swear words in here or anything. So, just take a quick look around the box here. And here's a look at the back. So the buzzer's back, it takes 2 AAAs. And that's pretty much it. So let's just go ahead and open this thing up. I already cut the ceiling stickers. Put that there. So you get a very simple instruction guide right here. And here's the buzzer. And here's the little sand timer. This should be a minute hourglass right there. And then you have these cards. You can just already see what they are, and they are double-sided, so even more replayability. Puzzle, corn, chop, orbit, ostrich, sunlight. So these are kind of like words that are kind of time-proof. I think most people would know what orbit and Bollywood would. Maybe not Bollywood, well, who knows. Bollywood is pretty hip right now. Strawberry. See, that's like a time-proof word right there. So you get 4 decks of these things. I would assume maybe about 50 each. So you get about 200 cards, double that's 400 words that you can use. And you get the buzzer right here. And I actually already opened this thing up and put batteries in there, so I can show you guys how it sounds. So you do need a Phillips head to open this, and I think it's a Phillips 2 or 4, not quite sure. But I mean, if you find a Phillips screwdriver just around the size, just fit it and try it out. And it has a switch here, so you can have it on the silent mode, so when you press the button, it's not going to sound, but you can also turn it on. That's what it sounds like, and it has a little Taboo symbol right there. Pretty nifty. So yeah, that's it, the 2016 edition. But as you can see, what's missing, biggest thing I would say, is the card holder. There's no card holder included. That's a huge downside in my opinion. The 2014 edition had a holder and a notepad, I believe. They don't give you that Team A, Team B notepad anymore. You just gotta use your own paper or use your smartphone. But they still include this. I would much rather they get rid of this. I don't really care about the scorecard thing. I mean, we all have paper and other ways to do it, but they got rid of the card holder. Come on now. What are we even going to use to hold the card? We probably just have to put it face down and flip it like that. I can see that's going to become a mess. Guess we could kind of use the case. I don't know. What do you guys think? It's not built very well for something like that. So, yep, this is it. That's 2016 edition Taboo. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. It'd be greatly appreciated. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, Scarforce95, if you haven't already, to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube, Scarforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Scarforce95. Thanks for watching.